Hey guys, today I want to actually talk about theme editor, how to edit your theme. Okay? I realized that all of a sudden my theme uh, editor just disappeared. I'm using a color mag site. I did a tutorial some time ago about this particular project. So the owner of the project is trying to integrate AdSense into the website. So I want to try and include that in the header file of the team. And I realized that when I came to appearance, I can't find it. I came across these documents. They mentioned several things, and I tried most of them, and it didn't work until when I tried one working from the um, control panel. Okay, going to the file manager and all of that. Okay, so I will use my example to actually uh, demonstrate how to overcome this. So if you go through this document, it mentions about how you can use a particular plugin, what the file, which I've tried and it didn't work. It's just when you install, these two guys will not be available. It's not working. So I had to actually go through this step. You go to file manager. So when you go to file manager, you go to your public HTML and you locate the WP content. You you go to WP content. That is where your theme and your plugin is actually situated. So when you click on that, it will take you to this page. When you click on theme, you can actually locate the themes. But on this particular article, we have several themes. We have 2016, we have 2017, we have 2015, we have this particular theme, and we have color mag there, as you can see. So you double click on the one, you double click on the color mag. So when you double click on the color mag, it will open up the site file. So you go to file content. When you go to file content, it will actually pop up like this. Do you want to edit? You click on this that you want to edit it, and it will actually open up. You can actually make your modification on the on the on the C panel, okay, and save your work. But that is one way to actually resolve this issue. Okay, so when um, um, that is one way to actually edit the uh, to actually edit your file using the C panel. But if you look at this title, this one is using the WordPress editor. That is, you can only use this if you have access to your WordPress editor on the control panel. Where is that? Here. Because here now it doesn't show that it's available. So if that option is not available, you will not be able to actually have this. If this option is available, all you need to do is just come to editor and go to editor and you pick any file you want to modify from the right hand corner of the website and actually do your modification. And after when you are done, it will say you update the file. Okay, that is that. So I was able to actually resolve the issue. Okay, so I just ensure that I actually did this guy very well. So all you need to do is log into your file manager. You come to public HTML. You go to, I have several sites here. So this is the site I want to work on. Okay, double click on the site. So I have to go to WP function. Okay, I click edit. So when I click edit, it will actually load and take me down. Just scroll down to the bottom of this, and I see that it says that you should disable anything that require modification on your website. You say it should be disabled, and your answer is true. So if you want to tell the PHP file that you should not disable anything, just type false and save. Okay, so when you type so you have said that the file can be, the website file can be actually be editable. You can edit it. That's what I'm trying to say. So having said that, you when you are done working with us, that rule is a very useful rule, so that nobody can have access to your sites and start modifying and hacking your site. So immediately you are done, all you need to do is just come back and enable it back, so that to keep your website security top notch. So if I go back now, I should go back to the site. Okay, and if I should type this, refresh it. So let's refresh, and I should type click on appearance and see that the theme editor is there. It has come up. So that when you click on it, you can actually make any modification you want to make. Yes, you can see everything is back. So that is all you need to do, and have access to all the documents and make your changes as you wish. So as since if you are done with whatever you need to do, I will make your modification and all of that. So all you need to do is just go back and type force. So when you type force, so that force means that you are telling the PHP language or program or code that hey, no file should be edited here. And when you come back to the site, okay, it is my local site. This is my local server. So when you come back to the site and refresh it, you see that uh, that access will have been taken away. So you can see that. Okay, hold on. Let me go back. Let's see that I still have it. So hold on. Trying to just want to show that immediately you enable it back, it will create that guide for the sites, and you will now have access again. Done. Let me use this browser. So if I should refresh here, I'm trying to, my system is hanging. So if I should click on, it's still there, but I don't know if maybe my settings were not saved. It was not supposed to be there again. So if we go back here, go back to my save panel, say force, save, it means no changes to save. You have no changes to save. So if I, it's because it's still false, okay? It's supposed to be true. True. Let's say that we are telling that file disable file editing is correct. Okay, so when I click on it, come here. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, yeah, I did not save the last time. So when you click on it and you check it, it will block it again. You now have access to it. Whenever you want to make any changes, just go there, enable it, and you have access to your work. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope to see you next time.